Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to customize any fields via CSS. So we're going to create a form, then we will just add some fields. First a text box, subjects, then we will add another text area field. Okay, comments. Then I'm going to add a submit button. Yes, submit. Then we're going to change the color of the form. Then we're going to save the changes, and that's it. We're going to see the preview. It's loading. Okay, here it is. Now we're going to customize this text box. We will add round corners on the border, and for that we need to get the ID of the field. So you can get the ID of the field on More tab, then go to ID selector, copy the ID selector, then go to Global Settings tab, then go to Additional tab, and on additional JavaScript option, just add your code. No, wait. On additional CSS, sorry. On additional CSS, just add the code. In this case, here it is. For ID, we use this, the hashtag. This is basically CSS code. And so for this case, I have these properties. So in this case, we're going to add a border radius 25px, and then these other properties. And but we need to, this is the ID of the field, but in our case we need to find this area, this white area, which is called an input. So you will have to put input, and that's it. Then save changes, go to preview. Now the form is loading. And here it is. Wait, it's not I expected, but we're going to make some changes. I'm going to quit the width and height, the padding 5, and in this case I'm going to put yellow. Okay, save changes, go to preview, wait sometimes in order to see the form, and here it is. But I don't see that. Also, you can use your browser. For example, border radius Okay, look at that border radius. You can see, for example, here we're the color border radius, border color. I'm gonna put green. Look at that. And I'm just gonna copy this code that I made, and I'm gonna put on this. Okay, now I have the right CSS code, the CSS properties. Then just save changes, go to preview. So form is loading, and okay, what is happening here? I think probably this is the issue. Okay, save changes, preview. Here it is. Now it is working. You can see the round border on the corner of this text box. And why I added this important text here? It's because the theme of the site was overwriting these properties. So for that reason, I added this in order to make this a priority. So that was the issue. And now you can see this code is working, and you can do the same with this. For example, for comments, we're going to make the same. We need first the ID of the field. In this case, we're going to get, this is the field, the ID of the field. Okay, this is order. In this case, this is input. For text area, there's another input which is called text area. How do I know that? Every browser has an inspector, DOM inspector, so you can just go to your form. Okay, we're going to inspect the element. So every browser has that. You can see this. This is the field. This is the ID, and you can see that white area is a text area tag. You can see that text area. So that's why we need to find that with the CSS, and then we can add any properties. So in our case, that's the reason I added text area. And I'm gonna put the same. Save changes, preview. And we're going to wait a little. That it is. Now you can see both have the round border on the corners. So our customization is working fine.